Hey everybody, so I went to two different Lowe's. I picked up two different Dewalt deals that are going on for Father's Day. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. So I picked up these deals. This one I picked up at the Casa Grande store. And this one I picked up at the Gilbert's Lowe's store. So these are Father's Day deals. I will be putting in pictures as well. Hold on real quick. Let me grab something. Alright, so here's one. Here's the other. Alright. So, this one right here, the hammer drill. This is the new DCD998W1. So, it's the hammer drill, the new model with the power detect. This one comes with an 8, a fast charger, and a bag. So the deal that I got at the Casa Grande store, and this is, I will be putting a video in here, or some pictures in here for you guys, so I can show you guys that. The deal was, you buy this, just the hammer drill driver kit, which does not come with the impact driver, and you get an 8 amp hour for free. So it says DW 20 volt max XR 8 amp hour lithium. It shows 0.00. And the kit was $279. So, and then I bought a little precision driver as well. I think it's left in one of these bags. Yeah. I also bought this little precision Cobalt driver with the speed ratchet, because I really liked the larger version of it, so I picked up the smaller version. But this was $9.98 and this kit was $279, and I got a free 8, so I ended up with 2 of the 20 volt max 8 amp hour batteries. And these are the new ones that have the 21700 cells. The other deal I got at the Gilbert store was, I did a video a couple days ago, but you'll probably be seeing that video probably first before this. For Father's Day, they were doing the $99 deal where you got the your selection of this oscillating tool, which was, it's not this specific tool, it's the DCS355 in a kit for $99. You can get the Dewalt 20 volt max XR random orbital sander kit for $99. Where you basically get a battery and everything, and a charger, and then you could also get the sheet sander for $99, and get with the kit, and get a 2 amp hour battery and a charger, a normal charger, and a bag and everything. Well, this deal in my opinion was a little better. This is the DCS356B for bare tool. The difference between the 355B and the 356B is the 356 has the 3-mode selector right here. So it's got the speed 1, 2, and 3 selector and the variable trigger. And it does 20,000 oscillations, where the 355 doesn't have a selector. So it doesn't have a low, medium, and high speed. It just does variable speed only. Now, instead of getting the $9 kit or deal where you got a 2 amp hour battery, to me this was more realistic. I paid the $139 for the full price for the bare tool, and I got one of the new 3 amp hour starter kits for free. And right here, DeWalt BL Oscillating Tool, $139.00. There's not 99 cents, it was $139.00. And I got the 20 volt starter kit for free, $000. And then I also picked up, 30 psi hose thread pressure on this, as well as a 3/4 inch PVC adapter, because I'm helping my wife make a sprinkler system for the plants that she's going to be planting. So this is just going to be an information video. I'm going to insert the photos right here, so we'll be right back. Alright, so we're back. So I posted the photos. If I can get the digital receipt off my phone, I will also post the receipts for you guys on the video to make it a little easier. But $279 for the DCD998W1, which is right there, which is David Charlie David 998 Whiskey 1, David Charlie David 998 Whiskey 1, or DCD998W1. And you got a free, and this kit does come with an 8 amp hour. Right there. It comes with an 8 amp hour rapid charger and a bag and the hammer drill. So you basically got an 8 amp hour for free. So you have 2 8 amp hours, and hammer drill, a rapid charger, and a bag. And the 8 amp hour part number is David Charlie Bravo 208, David Charlie Bravo 208, or DCB 208. And this kit right here, the oscillating tool that I picked up, which was $139 instead of $99, and the reason the other one was $99 was because it doesn't have the 3-mode selector. The 3-mode selector model is a little newer and it costs a little more. And this is a bare tool, David Charlie Southern, or David Charlie Sam 356 Bravo. David Charlie Sam 356 Bravo, or DCS356B. And the kit that you got for free, which this kit alone is $120, and this battery right here, they're selling it right now for $149, but its normal price is $199. So $279, and you got a $200 battery for free. And if you did the math on just the drill alone, so 200 and 200, that's 400 for just the 2 batteries if you bought them individually. Chargers, the fast charger is usually $79 or $89. Bag is usually $59. And the hammer drill, I think, is like $199 bare tool. If I'm wrong on the price of the bare tool for the 998, I will put it in the description below. But I calculated all this separately for this kit right here. If you bought it all individually, each piece individually, you're looking at almost $690, $700, somewhere in there. And this kit with the 3 amp hour, you know, it comes with the DCB112, David Charlie Bravo 112 charger, which is just a regular standard charger. The black charger like this that's a fast charger is David Charlie Bravo 115, but this is a $120 kit that you got for free, and I just bought a $140 tool. So I didn't think they were bad deals. In all honesty, I think that's pretty killer deal if you want the 8s, the new 8s. The Power Detect tools have the more power with using the 8s. So that's why I picked them up. And then you guys will also get to see the $99 deals that I picked up for the orbital sander and the sheet sander, which these were the ones I got for $99, and these were at your mileage may vary, because I went to 3 different stores. Only one store had these two, and then they immediately took the promo down. So I guess they only got like 5 or 10 of each tool, and once they were gone, the promo was over. But this is the DCW210D1. So David Charlie Whiskey 210 David 1 is for the random orbital sander with a 2 amp hour, a standard charger, and a bag. And then David Charlie Whiskey 200 David 1 is the 1/4 inch sheet sander, and this deal, both of these I got for $99 a piece, which I thought was a great deal as well. And this one comes with a 2 amp hour, a standard charger, and a bag. So just to let you guys know, that's that deal. And I'll try to link the receipts, because I also have the receipt for that one as well. Receipt for that, the sanders, is right here. Dewalt BL 1/4 inch sheet sander kit, $99. Normally $199. Discount $100. Dewalt 20 volt max BL 5 inch random orbital sander kit, $99. Normally $199. $100 off. It says negative 100. So those two tools I walked out, total discounts $200. I walked out with both of those kits for $198.00 plus $15.44 in tax, was a total of $213.44. So that's the sanders, the receipt for the sanders. So I will put the receipts in the video, as well as photos of the discounts and the promo tag on this, on the shelves. Your mileage may vary, because one store had the Power Detect with an 8 amp hour free promo, and that promo was you buy any Power Detect tool kit and you get a free 8 amp hour battery. And the Gilbert store was doing a 20 volt XR bare tool promo, where you got the 3 amp hour starter kit. So this is a 20 volt bare tool promo, and this is a Power Detect 20 volt promo. So they're both different. I appreciate your guys' time. Hopefully, if you know, anybody is looking for some good deals on DeWalt tools, I would say this Father's Day, between right now, which is the 15th, to the 24th, is when these deals end. So if you think your husband might be looking for, you know, a specific tool and you want to get him something for Father's Day or whatever, these are good deals to pick up on. They're great deals to pick up for a spouse or a friend. And Dewalt usually doesn't do deals like this, so I would say grab them as soon as you can find them. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much for your time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and we will be doing videos on each one of these. We'll be doing specs and unboxing videos on this tool and this tool. I already did the specs and unboxing video, just waiting editing them for the random orbital sanders. You'll get to see those soon. Thank you guys so much for your time, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.